Ilang sandali pa dinig ko na ang palitan ng putok sa mansyon. Pinaikot ko si Ryder sa likod ng mansyon kung saan mayroong maliit na lagusan doon na walang may nakakaalam. They built it for escape purposes. Sinuring mabuti ni Ryder ang vest ko at ang aking baril. He even taps my abdomen if the vest was in place. Pumasok na kami sa sekretong lagusan, papasok sa basement ng bahay. Kara, mahinang bulong ni Ryder sa akin. Inabot niya ang Bluetooth wireless mic. Kinuha niya ang phone ko to put it on silent mode. Hayop ka, Darius! Papatahin kita! Hayop ka! I heard Mommy screaming in anger.
How can you do that, Elizabeth? Isa ka ng inutil ngayon.
It was Darius.
Subukan mong saktan ng anak ko. Papatahin kita, hayop ka!
Sigaw ulit ni Mommy.
Anak natin, Elizabeth. Anak natin.
Sinundan niyo ni Darius ng malademonyong tawa.
Saan mo dinala ang anak ko, Darius? Saan? Hayop ka. Wala kang kasing sama.
Napatakip lang ako sa aking bibig. Buhay ang anak ni Mommy. How the hell did that happen?
Oh, come on, Elizabeth. May sasama pa ba sa peking asawa mo noon? Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi ko mapatay lahat ng lahi ng isang Ledesma. Tandaan mo yan, Elizabeth.
Banta ni Darius kay Mommy.
Sabihin mo dyan sa anak-anakan mo na maghanda ng 100,000,000 para tubusin niya ang pinsan niya.
Isang malakas na putok ang umalingaw-ngaw sa ground floor na siyang ikinatakbo ko. Mommy! I ran towards where my mom was. I filled my heart with fear, knowing she would get hurt. Ryder pulled me back. Huwag kang padalos-dalos. Wala tayong backup, Kara. Galit niyang sabi sa akin. She needs me, Ryder. Now let go of my wrist. Madaing buwelta ko sa kanya.
No, I don't care if you hate me. But I can't let you do this.
Pinahawakan niya ako sa dalawang tauhan niya at nagpupumiglas ako. Then I gave all my strength. Let go of me! Madaing utos ko sa aking mga tauhan. I know they are just doing their job for my safety. But I can't let my mom get hurt again. Never! Sunod-sunod ang palitan ng putok sa ground floor. Go help, Ryder! I will stay here! Utos ko. Buti na lang at tumalima ang dalawa. Umikot ako sa kabilang dulo ng basement palabas ng parking area. I calculated my moves. I was vigilant about my surroundings. I knew Darius brought a lot of men with him. I can't take that for granted. Sumilip ako tiningnan ng paligid mula sa aking pinagkukublihan. I saw my man dead. Anger rose in my system. Gusto ko nang patayin ang Darius na yon. Walang tigil ang palitan ng putok sa loob. Dumaan ako sa kusina. I saw Oliver on the floor, bleeding. This is the second time he has laid down his life, first to mine. Then now my mother. Tumingin siya sa gawi ko. His eyes were begging me to leave. Umiling ako sa gusto niyang mangyari. I just cannot live knowing that Darius is here, killing people dear to me.
You wanna know, Elizabeth, where our daughter is?
Dinig kong tanong ni Darius kay Mommy. Nanlaki ang mga mata ko nang hawak-hawak ni Mommy ang balikat niya. She was shot. Shit.
I will give you anything you want, Darius. Just tell me where my daughter is, please.
Mommy's voice was begging. Who doesn't? Her daughter's life is at stake.
Anong kapalit?
Patuloy ang tanong ni Darius.
Anything you want. Just give me back my daughter.
Naiiyak na sabi ni Mommy. I saw Ryder hiding behind the pillar. Sumenya siya sa akin nang 3 tao ang nasa paligid. Wala na itong nagawa nang makita ako. Nasa dulong bahagi naman ang 2 tauhan na kasama namin. Tumango ako sa kanya. He's counting. Kinasa ko ang aking baril. Kinapa ko rin ang extra mags ko sa likod. I want to make sure if I die now, I will make sure I killed Darius myself. But I was about to take a shot when someone covered my mouth.
Shh, it's me.
The whisper behind my ear sent shivers down my spine. His warm hand covering my mouth almost made my head spin. We're in the middle of a life and death situation, but my heart was rapidly beating.
Clint is on the way. Let me handle this.
Mahinang bulong ni Leander sa akin. How did he know where I was? Kita kong sumenya si Ryder kay Leander.
Elizabeth, you're clueless. I want Kara in exchange for our daughter. How hard could it be?
Pangahamon niya kay Mommy.
I can give you that money, but not my other daughter.
Malakas ang sigaw ni Mom.
So mas mahalaga sa'yong pamangkin mo, Elizabeth, kaysa sa buhay ng anak mo?
Painsultong tanong nito.
Stop this nonsense, Dad.
Nakaumang ang baril ni Leander sa daddy niya. Sumunod ako sa kanya.
Oh, hey, son. Glad you joined the party. Of course, I am proud of you. For bringing the one I am looking for.
Nalaki ang aking mga mata. Is Leander part of it too?
Kara, go!
Malakas na sigaw ni Mommy nang sunod-sunod ang putok na sumalubong sa akin. Nagkahiwalay kami ng poste ni Leander.
Papatayin ko ang lahat ng lahi ng Ledesma.
Malakas na sigaw ni Darius. My mom moved her wheelchair back to where Ryder was. Nang masecure niya si Mommy, nakahinga ko ng maluwag. Matapang ka lang naman, Darius, kasi may hawak kang barel. How about a hand-to-hand fight? Paghahamon ko sa kanya. He laughed devilishly.
Manang-mana ka sa ama mo. Puro kayabangan, wala namang binatbat. Nasaan siya ngayon, ha? Ayun, sa ilalim ng lupa, inuuod na.
Sinundan niya yun ng malakas na tawa. Darius! Darius! If you don't leave this place right now, you will regret it. Malakas kong sigaw.
Ang dami mong satsat, Ledesma. Mapatay mo man ako ngayon, hindi mo makikita ang pinsan mo. Or perhaps, I will instruct my men to cut her head off and send it to you. How does that sound, ha?
Tanong nito sa akin.
I will kill you myself, Dad, if something happens to my sister.
Malakas na sigaw ni Leander.
Oh, come on, Leander. Don't be so dramatic.
Sunod-sunod ang putok na pinakawalan ni Leander sa direksyon ng ama niya. Sinundan ko siya. Until my ammo was out, I took another mag and pulled the trigger. But out of nowhere, I got hit. Kainis!
Kara!
Lumapit si Leander sa akin. My blood was on my hand when I touched my wound. He shielded himself for me.
Come on, baby. Open your eyes for me, please.
Nakikiusap na sabi ni Leander. Hindi ko alam kung guni-guni ko lang yon, but it made me smile. He called me baby.
Kara! Did you find her?
Madiing tanong ni Clyde. I assumed I was in the hospital and still alive. I grinned in my head. I don't know how long I was out, but I am alive.
No!
Dinig kong sagot ni Clint.
I know you're doing your finest work, Clint, but they're our family now. Find her.
Puno ng pinalidad sa boses ni Clyde.
Leander is doing his part to find her.
Maagap na sagot ni Clint. I don't gossip. Pero nakapikit pa rin ako. Gusto kong malaman kung anong nangyari.
No! He knows his father.
Sagot ni Clyde.
How is she?
I guess they are referring to me.
She's out of danger. She's recovering.
Tugon ni Clyde.
She will be devastated if she's awake.
Clint said. Agad ako nagmulat ng mata. What's that supposed to mean? Namamalat ang boses ko. Kita kong kabiglaan sa mukha nila. Agad lumapit si Clint sa gawi ko.
Kara, how are you feeling?
Hawak ni Clint ang kamay ko. What happened? Ulit kong tanong. Agad nag-iwas ng mata si Clint. Napadako ang mata ko kay Clyde. Clyde, what is it? Nagmamakaawa kong tanong.
Clyde,
banta ni Clint sa kakambal niya. Ang hilig mo sa ganyan. You're hiding everything. And you do it on your way. Puro ka naman palpak. Paninisi ko sa kanya. I know I was rude and ungrateful, but I need to know the truth. Napatiimbag ang si Clint, and rage was all over his face. Alam kong nagtitimpi siya dahil sa masakit na salitang binitiwan ko. Wala akong pakialam. I want to know the truth.
Your mom has been kidnapped by Darius' men. They have hijacked the ambulance.
Mahabang salaysay ni Clyde. Hinablot ko ang swero sa aking pulsuhan.
What, Kara? What the hell are you doing?
Sumirit ang dugo mula doon at tinawakan ni Clyde ang pulsuhan ko to prevent blood from drifting. A sharp pain I felt in my shoulder slowly sapped all my energy. My eyelids became heavy. Darkness consumed me.
No!
Clint's POV.
I'm sorry, Kara. We're on the clock finding Malia, Kara's cousin, and now Tita Elizabeth is missing. What the heck? A tap on my shoulder grabbed my attention. It was Clyde. He injected Kara to make her sleep. I couldn't focus on kung pati siya iisipin ko pa. There are so many things in my plate right now. I want to kill Darius. Everything is a mess, Clyde. And I don't know what else to do. Parang batang sumbong ko sa kanya. I don't care if I look weak because I am. Clyde sighs, tapped my shoulder. You're not Superman. You can be weak occasionally, brother. Even Superman has his weakest point. So do you. Umupo siya sa tabi ko. Pareho namin tiningnan na natutulog na si Kara. She was as stubborn as ever. I am to blame for all of this. Dagdag ko pa, isang malakas na batok ang ibinigay ni Clyde sa akin. Sinamaan ko siya ng tingin. Ang drama mo. Ano ba? We are Bellapuerte, Clint. We are fighters. Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. And use your money and connection to find out where they are while Kara is sleeping. Because if she wakes up and her mom is still out there, this is gonna be war, brother. Nasundan ko na lang ang papalayong bulto ni Clyde. He was right. I have all the means to find them. Bumukas ang pintuan. Pumasok doon si Tita Sedera. Ngumiti siya ng bahagya sa akin. Kumusta ang anak ko, Clint? Tanong nito. Puno pa rin ang pag-aalala sa mukha niya. She was up while ago, Tita. She's safe now, recovering. Buong katiyakan kong tugon. I don't want her to worry. She smiled, and that was all I needed. May balita naman ba sa pamangkin ko at kay ate, Clint? My heart was in agony. The responsibility on my shoulders was so much to handle. But I had no choice. Umiling ako sa kanya. Ginagawa ko na ho ang lahat ng aking makakaya para mahanap sila habang tulog pa si Kara. Malumanay kong imporma sa kanya. Those tears were killing me. I felt the vibration of my phone. Nagpaalam ako sa kanya. It was Brylon. It's gonna be a good news, Bry. Kara is awake. I don't know if I sound scared, but hell I am. I found them. Agad kong pinatay ang tawag ko. Dali-dali akong lumabas ng ospital. Pinaharurot ko ang aking sasakyan. I am running out of time. Pagdating ko sa aking opisina, all my head teams were already in the conference room. I want to finish this once and for all. I just listened to Bride do his report. My face remains emotionless. I don't want them to see that I am miserable inside. After Bride presented the plan and the information, I stood up. I know this operation is risky, but this is our job. I want your skills, 100% focus, and the success of this operation is a team effort. Tumango ang lahat. We changed our strategy. Darius knew we would be attacked at night, but we invaded them in broad daylight this time. Puno ng pinalidad sa boses ko. I could help. Napadako ang tingin ko kay Leander. Hindi na ako tumanggi. I needed more help to fight Darius. May sapusa ang buhay noon, hindi na mamatay. After that meeting with my men, I dismissed them. How could I trust you? I asked Leander. Tatay niya yun. You don't have to. I just wanna save my sister. Ganting sagot niya at sinalubong ang titig ko. Kara is awake. Informa ko sa kanya. Agad siyang nag-iwas ng tingin. Send me the location. I'll meet you there. Yun lang ang tumalikod na ito. Is he real? Fake. Napailing na lang ako. This guy is so unpredictable. He saved Kara, but left without a word. Third person's POV. Dad, please, don't do this to me. Nagsusumamo ang boses ko sa aking ama. He locked me up. Tumigil ka. Kailangan ko ng malaking pera at ikaw ang kapalit nun. Galit na sigaw ni Dad.